Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
This SUV behind me is just really getting torqued. What the heck?
The destination is on your right.
Yeah, thank you.
Who is that? I'm gonna file a complaint.
It was a cop.
Oh, it was a cop.
But of course, they did that on purpose. Stupid mother.
They also believe the ascent of Benjamin Netanyahu, an Israeli prime minister, that is conflated what he believes the best way to prosecute this war with his own legal and political travails, the worst possible leader for a country at the worst possible time. So for all those reasons, the administration has been very discouraged.
So, why then we have...
Come on.
Dude, really? Wow. Oh, douchebag. Jesus.
That was fun. Oh shit! Oh shit! Holy shit! God damn!
You!
It's fresh air.
It's like poor woman. She does not know. She did not know.
Oh! And so we took her for lab work, and yes, her liver enzymes are very high. Ooh, ooh, ooh! Somebody just got destroyed. Holy cow!
Sorry, did you want to reply to that one?
No. No.
Okay.
Oops.
Pay attention, cunthead! Yeah, still here. Breakfast is served. You guys missed it. Yeah, been busy all week.
Rear K-band.
And the mumbling and fumbling and so forth, and so the media are so disgusting. This is why you hate them. In fact, the overwhelming majority of Americans.
His trial is, I could not be more proud to stand next to him, to sit right behind him in that pew. The guy is the toughest guy I've ever met in my entire life. He's got backbone unlike anything I've ever seen in my life. And most people would have withered about 5 minutes into this whole thing. You know, 99% of the Republicans, I might even say 100% of the Republicans that my father ran against, they would have withered.
Move over.
About 2 seconds of this over. That's how vicious and
It's just flying around back there. Let's go yell at him.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.